this thing on? Are we live? Welcome back to a flash newscast from Satire. Today we are working on this Abarth 500, which is positively the worst car I have ever touched in my life. Apparently it's a female's car. We also are preparing the Mark IV Supra for MOT, which the MOT is getting sorted on the Supra legitimately by an unknown company. Come with me, viewers. Excuse me, sir. Hello? Welcome back. Welcome back to what? Excuse me, Adam. Yes. Adam, yes. How do you like working on a bat?
Oh, do you know what? It's been an hard day. Getting to the end now, but as long as nothing else goes wrong, we'll be all right. But if it goes wrong, it's going to be a long night. You've got kids at home.
Happy, lad.
Well, I mean, she hasn't put out for years now, but she's seeing another lad tonight. So it's just there and a lad mate gone for a meal. So I was like, yeah, all right, you do that, and I'll sort your car out if you want.
For free?
Well, technically, I've paid for the meal she's gone for.
Sounds like you're in a simp situation, my mate.
Nah. Everyone just, you know, tells me I'm an idiot, but I'm right. This is all right.
This is love. This is love.
It's a drug. Yeah, no, you can't do all about it.
Let's go and look at the Supra, and I will give you an update on how not to wire a fog light. So I don't have any wire that's long enough at the minute, so I'm attaching two pieces of stray wire together. They are different colours, they are different thicknesses. However, we do not worry about that. What is the main concern is that the fog light stays on for approximately as long as an MOT lasts. This is how you attach two pieces of wire together. I'm forgetting to put heat shrink on purposely. So this is the Mavers Special, this is what he told me. Your two wires together.
No, you're doing it wrong.
I thought you do that and then you fold it over.
No, you don't. Fuck off.
And you go like that.
You not got any crew?
Right, cut it off, let's start again.
Yeah, let's start.
Fuck me, old best electrician over there giving us fucking tips. This is
a little bit more
wiring,
strict back to it, fair.
Okay, well there you go. Oh, I'll just listen. This is exactly what I was doing.
No, it's like you twisted the wires together instead of twisting them first.
Yeah, no, I already did that.
No, you did it shit. It looked like a mess. There you go.
Okay.
Put some heat shrink over
so you do exactly what I just said you did. Fold it over and then put some heat shrink on it, and then you've got the tightest bond in the west, east. Someone got a lighter? You got a lighter, viewers?
No, I've been using blowtorch all day.
Make sure you put it on the right end. The right end is that way, where the fold is. Glides over and doesn't get taut on all those.
Can I just put something out there for my bird? I've just finished the front coilers for my bird, and they're within a millimetre on the same height, like side to side. Top notch from our lass.
Use the ruler and everything.
Yep.
Do a bit of the twisty action. Or a bit of the other side.
Like a pork belly on an open fire.
Like pigs and blankets.
That's snail.
You can tell those bolts.
That's snail.
If you'd like to watch a walk around of this video, me apparently talking bollocks for 23 minutes, there's a video up here. I am salty.
Watch out for the S13 Supra, watch out for the SR20, watch out for the
There's Sylvia parts everywhere in this.
Hayabusa.
There's a fucking. Right, this is a nice unit. We could have had loads of nice Toyotas in there, but everyone decided to buy Nissans. Look at this piece of engineering marvel. It's absolutely beautiful. And people want to buy a Sylvia. They're made of tin.
One Sylvia, two Sylvia, and there's another Sylvia back there. That one's got a cover over it there for some reason, even though it's indoors.
So I have identified this wire as being the reverse light. Because I've got a BMW box in this, I have not got time to wire the reverse lights up, and actually in the UK, reverse lights are not required. So I haven't got reverse lights. However, you do need a rear fog light, and I never got one of them sorted.
Hence why he's doing that now for his MOT, by the way.
Yes. So I've sharpied the clear bulb that's in here.
To be honest, let me just say, it did actually work very well. Like, it looks exactly as it should.
It's a red Sharpie. It's slightly clear. Translucent would be the correct term in the English dictionary. It's basically this wire. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to run this wire through to cockpit, give it a 12. That's not going to work. Yeah, well, yeah, give it 12 volt. 12 volt ignition live, switch, this bad boy, straight into there. The bulb's already grounded on a common ground. Then we've got a fucking fog light. This kid. Right, so we'll go red to red, and then we'll end up with purple to the side. And this is why Japanese cars have always got bad wiring, because you get people like me who don't have a fucking clue what they're doing. Work on.
Oh, that's fucking brilliant. Wow. Also, whilst we're halfway through, me and the boys did some off-roading the other day. Jones was NFI, not fucking invited.
I was not invited.
He was actually invited. I invited him. I invited him to come out with Vicar in the patrol. I messaged him to try and persuade him to come out, but Vicar's a bit of a wet wipe, and he wouldn't come out. But we got some off-roading footage, so we'll probably put that in the video. This is like a little filler because I didn't intro it or anything. I didn't outro it. But there's some funny clips in there, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy it. So
we'll throw them in. We have the wrong colour electrical tape here. It does not matter. Because this is definitely staying in the car. Yeah, disclaimer, this is actually staying in the car. Please don't sue me. This is a fucking proper job, this. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying the video so far, do not forget that we sell merchandise on the website. Link is down in the description, www.sattireclothing.com. We sell a multitude of products, from hoodies to t-shirts. We're even doing hats, maybe even shorts soon. Make sure you keep an eye out there and use Satire 10 for 10% off.
stickers and window banners as well. Can't forget them.
Yeah, they're not on the website yet, but they will be soon. Somewhere down there. Mechanic. This is fucking JDM goodness, this. This is fucking fantastic. This is the sort of shit. Look at that beast. What's that? Look, we're even clipping it into the stock lines. Look. OEM. Can't tell, mate. Go through the seat. Look at this. Top quality shit, isn't it, this, man? We're gonna need more wire. The reason why I hate wiring is because I make it fucking hard for myself by doing shit like this. I butcher the stock lube and throw some janky ass like 50-year-old wiring that I've just found and spliced together, and then route it in like the worst possible way, and then just expect it to work forever.
Is that a strut brace, like a stock one?
No, they're just like weird little brackets.
You shitting yourself. We heard it. We looked at each other and then you said you shit yourself.
On my tape. What are you doing? Don't waste it.
Race stripes.
Race
Me
stripes.
don't race it. It's hard, isn't it?
Look at that primer overspray. That wasn't even from me either.
Mods. Sparking. He's got to do some electrician mods. I'll just point out. Look at that fucking fade.
Why do you never like?
I was just videoing your fade when you stood over there, lad.
You know, like a trader, like a builder or something, when they go around, they go, I built that house. He just walks around it, I did that thing.
How did deserve?
Face has not been in any part of this video, so you're just making it out
I'm gonna have to blur it out. He just
I don't like the oh no,
Is it on? Yeah, it's on!
yeah, it's completely red.
Do it again.
Wait, do it again. Yeah, it's actually red.
I'm a fucking genius, man.
Bear in mind, it painted that bulb with a red felt tip. You two alright? How was your leg?
Yeah, nice. There's something in there, it just goes up on 2 wheels. What are you watching, lad? My Supra. Oh shit! Unfortunately. Stop! Fucking dusty down here.
Oh god. Oh god. Don't throw out, mate.
Fucking unicorns. What's going on here?
I mean, we are quite under. See how much pressure's in that bastard? Yeah, stop now. No, it's fixed.
That's fine.
Start it again now, so you can see what's coming out of.
Come down that fucking expansion button. You don't see it. Can't feel it. What can I say? No, I'm still pressing that. Fine.
Oh no. For everyone, not to mention your face.
I'm making sure we don't. We're at the opposite to a drum and bass festival. Sure about that?
Is he?
Yeah.
No.
Drum and bass Jones?
Drum and bass Jones?
Yeah.
Is he straight?
Jones, no, I don't think it. Kieran Metcalf on the other hand, though.
Is he still on? Are you filming now?
Just a bit of debris. Look at it. Talking about debris, have you heard about...
Holy shit. Have you had a slight, like, noise? That's impressive. That's like...
No, Actually, can I borrow that? I just need some ammo for when we go home.
Yeah.
Jesus. That's like a proper fence post.